Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use the photo grid on your iPhone. This simple feature can dramatically improve your photography by providing a visual guide right on your screen. It helps you compose shots with better balance and alignment. We'll cover how to enable it, how to apply composition techniques like the rule of thirds, and some advanced tips to make your photos truly stand out. Get ready to take stunning pictures. Turning on the grid is super easy and takes just a few seconds. First, open your iPhone Settings app. Then, scroll down a bit until you find and tap on Camera. Inside the camera settings, you'll see a switch labeled Grid. Simply tap this switch to turn it on. Once enabled, open your camera app and you'll immediately see the grid lines appear on your screen, ready to assist your photography. The grid is incredibly useful for applying the rule of thirds, a fundamental composition technique. Imagine your photo divided into 9 equal parts. Instead of centering your subject, try placing it along one of the 4 grid lines or at one of the 4 intersection points. This off-center placement often creates a more dynamic and visually appealing image. For landscapes, align the horizon with the top or bottom horizontal line, not the middle. Beyond the rule of thirds, the grid offers more advanced compositional aids. Use the vertical lines to check if buildings or other upright elements are perfectly straight, preventing skewed perspectives. You can also use the grid to help identify and align leading lines in your scene, drawing the viewer's eye deeper into the image. With a little practice, using the grid will become second nature, helping you capture consistently stunning photos with your iPhone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.